curious butterfly gardener guides a classroom through biomimicry inspiring technology across ages and interests. They study the lotus leaf's water beading and explain how engineers copy that effect to create self-cleaning surfaces. A simple demo builds a paper microfluidic channel from coffee filters to visualize how liquids move for curious minds. An anecdote about a gecko's climbing pads shows how materials science learns from animals without harm. The episode invites viewers to notice clever patterns in daily life and sketch ideas for future experiments.